Tax season can often feel like a daunting maze, filled with complex forms, deadlines, and regulations that can leave anyone feeling overwhelmed. In this video, we'll break down the intricacies of tax season, providing you with essential strategies to navigate it with confidence. We'll cover everything from common deductions and credits to tips on organizing your documents and maximizing your refunds. Our goal is to make this process as engaging and informative as possible, so you can approach tax season with a clear mind and a solid plan. Stick around to the end to make sure you get all of the information. Understanding the ins and outs of tax season is crucial not just for compliance, but also for reducing stress and avoiding last-minute scrambles. By the end of this video, you'll be equipped with the knowledge you need to tackle your taxes head-on, ensuring you make the most of your financial situation. Let's dive in and simplify tax season together. Understanding tax season. Tax season refers to the annual period when individuals and businesses prepare and file their income tax returns, typically occurring from January to April in the United States. This time is significant because it determines how much tax you owe or how much of a refund you can expect, impacting your financial health for the year ahead. However, tax season can be overwhelming due to the sheer volume of paperwork, changing tax laws, and the pressure of looming deadlines. Many people struggle with gathering necessary documents, understanding deductions, and navigating complex tax software or forms. This is why preparation and organization are crucial. By keeping your financial records in order throughout the year and familiarizing yourself with tax requirements, you can alleviate much of the stress associated with tax season. A proactive approach not only simplifies the process, but also helps ensure you maximize your potential refunds and minimize any liabilities. Essential tax documents. When it comes to filing your taxes, having the right documents on hand is crucial. Key documents include W-2 forms from your employer, which report your annual wages and taxes withheld, and 1099 forms for any freelance or contract work you may have done. Additionally, keep track of receipts for deductible expenses, such as medical bills, charitable donations, and business-related costs. Organizing these documents not only streamlines the filing process, but also ensures you don't miss out on potential deductions. To gather and store your tax documents efficiently, consider creating a dedicated folder, either physical or digital, where you can compile all relevant paperwork throughout the year. Regularly update this folder and set reminders to review it as tax season approaches. By staying organized, you'll save time and reduce stress when it's time to file your taxes, making the entire process much smoother. Choosing the right filing method. When it comes to filing your taxes, there are several methods to consider, each with its own pros and cons. DIY tax software is a popular choice for those who are comfortable with technology and have straightforward tax situations. It's often cost-effective and user-friendly, allowing you to file from the comfort of your home. However, it may lack personalized guidance for more complex scenarios. On the other hand, hiring a professional tax preparer can provide expert advice and tailored strategies, especially beneficial for individuals with unique financial situations or multiple income sources. The downside is the higher cost associated with their services. Lastly, online filing platforms offer a middle ground, combining ease of use with some level of support. Each method has its benefits, so it's essential to assess your own financial situation, comfort level, and budget before making a decision. Choose the method that best aligns with your needs for a smoother tax filing experience. Maximizing deductions and credits. Maximizing your tax deductions and credits can significantly reduce your tax liability, putting more money back in your pocket. Common deductions include those for mortgage interest, student loan interest, and medical expenses, while credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit and Child Tax Credit can directly reduce the amount of tax you owe. To identify eligible deductions, review your expenses throughout the year and categorize them accordingly. Keep an eye out for less obvious deductions, such as home office expenses or educational costs. One effective strategy is to maintain a dedicated expense tracker or app to log your spending as it happens. This not only helps you stay organized, but also ensures you don't overlook any potential deductions come tax time. By being proactive and informed about available deductions and credits, you can maximize your tax benefits and minimize your overall tax burden. Avoiding common mistakes. Filing your taxes can be tricky, and many taxpayers fall victim to common mistakes that can lead to delays or penalties. Frequent errors include submitting incorrect information, such as misspelled names, wrong social security numbers, or inaccurate income figures. Additionally, missing deadlines can result in costly penalties and interest. To avoid these pitfalls, it's essential to take your time and carefully review all your documents before submission. One effective solution is to create a checklist of required information and deadlines to keep you organized. Consider using tax software that includes error-checking features, or enlist the help of a professional tax preparer for added assurance. Most importantly, always double-check your information for accuracy and completeness before hitting that submit button. By being diligent and thorough, you can minimize the risk of errors and ensure a smoother tax filing experience. Planning for next year. As tax season wraps up, it's the perfect time to start thinking ahead for next year. Year-round tax planning is crucial for minimizing stress and maximizing your financial benefits when tax time rolls around again. By staying proactive, you can identify potential deductions and credits early, making the filing process smoother. Consider utilizing tools and resources such as budgeting apps, expense trackers, and financial management software to keep your finances organized throughout the year. These tools can help you monitor your spending and savings, ensuring you're prepared for any tax implications. Additionally, setting clear financial goals, like saving for retirement or planning for major purchases, can ease the burden of future tax seasons. By taking these steps now, you'll not only simplify your tax filing process next year, but also enhance your overall financial health. Start planning today to make next tax season a breeze. As we wrap up our discussion on navigating tax season, let's recap the key strategies for a stress-free experience. First, gather essential tax documents early and keep them organized throughout the year. Consider your filing options, whether using DIY tax software, hiring a professional, or opting for online platforms to find what best suits your needs. Maximizing deductions and credits is crucial, so stay informed about eligible expenses and keep track of them diligently. Lastly, remember that year-round tax planning can significantly ease the burden when tax time arrives. Preparation and organization are your best allies in this process. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Your engagement helps us create more valuable content to guide you through financial matters. Thank you for watching, and here's to a successful tax season ahead.